Hello everyone, welcome back to 3D CAD tutorials. Every day we are learning so many features and so many CAD, 3D CAD softwares. But without designing a proper product or a component, those things will be not have any meaning, or it will be, we can call as a useless. So that's why today we will just design a simple mobile stand or a cell phone stand within 10 minutes. Let us go to SolidWorks. So now we are in SolidWorks platform. What I will do, my considerations are initial considerations are like this. This is my cell phone, and this dimension you can see here. The overall length of the cell phone is 130 millimeters and the width is 60 millimeters. So, and the thickness is 8 millimeters. Thickness is 8 millimeters. So I am going to design a mobile stand for this device. So in general, what we will do, we will take a average of cell phones and we will design a stand. So as they are given, existing model is having 8 millimeters. We are considering another 2 to 3 mm as a buffer. Why means, usually people use the covers, mobile covers. Those will have a 1.5 mm thickness, 1.5 millimeters. So we are considering, and if the cell phone is very thick, then also we have to be, it should be useful. So we have to consider all the parameters while designing a simple product also. So let us move to part. So now we are in part mode. So what I will do, my cell phone, I am drawing a imaginary one, right plane I want to take. So this is a right plane. So this is the 60 millimeters of the mobile. So then the viewing angle, as per ergonomics, we have to consider. So if a person sit here, if his head is here, suppose if the head is here, if you are assumed to be here, he has to view the angle of direction. You have to consider the angle, on which angle he can view. Suppose this is if it's an vertical, is not comfortable, and as per ergonomics it is not at all a good design. So what I will do, I will little bit give a slant from the vertical position. I will make this to up to 30 degree we can consider. So I am giving in an average of 25 degrees. So this is an initial sketch for my product. So I will utilize this sketch afterwards. So this is just a reference to explain you about the ergonomics while designing a mobile stand. So I am moving to the next step. Today I am very much interested and to show you, I am just to take a punctuation marks, full stop, comma and exclamatory symbols. Today I will take it as a comma, my one of the design inspiration. So what I will do, usually comma means, again I am going to this plane and select this one. So what I will do, I will select two, I will draw two circles. These are horizontal in nature. So next what I will do, I am moving this and aligning this to origin. So I am giving a distance between this and this, maybe 60 millimeters, or you can reduce, but you have to check with the stiffness and the rigidity of the stand. So what I will do, I will place these in between the center. The mobile will be aligned at the center, or you can just backside, as its inclination is more, I am moving this one to little bit here. Okay, this has been closed. Now I am giving this dimension as dia 13 millimeters, and I am giving this diameter as just 5 millimeters, and I am drawing a arc, 3-point arc from here to here, from here to here, okay, from here to here, okay. Then what I will do, I will give, this is a tangential to this one. I will select this one and this circle and say tangential, select this one and select circle, say tangential, select this one and select this one, say tangential. So now if we just extend this, I will give the dimensions. So what I will give an approximate dimension for this. This is radius 72 is there. I will make as 85 millimeters, radius 85 millimeters, and I will give this as 60 millimeters. So as you give more and more, the arc will be, the thickness will reduce. So what I just took this one. So now what I will do, I will just trim off the extended lines. I am just trim off extended lines, and as we all know, we should have a closed sketch. Now it's ready for extrusion. So this may be one of the easiest stand as per my knowledge, but we can assume that we need some thickness here when we give a cut or a slot to just insert this one. So what I will do, I will reduce this arc to 40 millimeters. Sorry, I will reduce, increase this to 120 millimeters. So what I will do, now it is okay, and what is the depth I am getting here, I have to check, because after giving a slot or a cut, it should not affect. So how much I have to insert inside this one means maximum I am getting 13 millimeters. If we just insert the mobile stand, mobile inside means nearly 4 millimeters are enough, but we will consider as a 6 millimeters, and we are moving to the next step. So I will just extrude this sketch. I am selecting a mid plane, and I am moving both the side. It will take automatically symmetrically. So I am giving this one as 40 millimeters. Okay, so we can see this one. This is the extruded one. So now what I will do, as I told earlier, I will just draw a sketch, that is for an initial one I have drawn. So this is the one. So here is the major material, maximum material is there. I want to utilize this one. So what I will do, just I am drawing one more at 15 degrees, sorry 25 degrees from this one, 25 degree. the depth, as I mentioned earlier, so I am providing some 10. So okay, this is okay. Then what I will do, I am locating this one. This location will be approximately, I will give as 8 millimeters. 8 millimeters. So now it's a 10. I am giving you 10 millimeters. So what I will do, I will just come out of the sketch. This is only for reference I have drawn. One more time I am moving to taking sketch, and I am just offset this sketch bidirectional. As I told earlier, this will be 11 mm, but this not per side, it will be overall, it will be 11. So I will take 5.5 millimeters. So and I will say okay. So then what I will do, I have to join. I have to join this. So I will take this one as horizontal. Horizontal. This is not concerned. You can give anything. So what I will do, I will extend this line till here. Okay. I will trim off this. Okay, trim off this. Then what I will do, here the metal is very less. Metal is very less, and the depth we have to consider. So what I will do, once I have to complete this one. So I want to just complete this one. I am just closing this sketch to activate the features. So okay, I will say these two are equal. Okay. So what I will do, I will just extrude cut throughout. So now you can see we have done some stand, but the weakest point in this design is this area. It may break here, so we have to strengthen this one. This area has to be strengthened. So what I will do, I will double click and I will increase this thickness to 16 millimeters. Then I am say rebuild. So it has been improved. This area has been improved. We have to be very careful while designing any product. Where is the point we are getting weakest point and which is the strongest point. So now we can see this one. So we have to analyze the design in such a way where it can fail. We have to check. Suppose someone has been trying to move the mobile in front side, so that may topple, entire thing may topple front side. So what we have to do, we have to go here. To avoid that one, we have to introduce one just opposing the topple. What I will do, I will just add one more feature to this one only. So that will be like this. Maybe it will helpful to us. So because of round, it can topple. So I am just moving this one and I am closing this one, because as I told earlier, this is a conceptual. This is not an exact product. So this is what I am designing for 3D printing purpose, not for molding purpose. So I added this one. So what I will do, I will just extrude this one up to this surface, then say OK. Now you can ask, so this is OK, but the thing is that it is having a sharp. So here what I will do, as I told, this is for 3D printing, we should have sufficient fillet. It will be easy for the to enter. No, sorry, for this one. So then what I will do, I will just give fillet, just so preview, full preview we have to take. So I will give this one as 2 millimeters or 1.5 millimeters. Now say OK. So it is done. So here if you want to give your name as something blah 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 blah, you can provide the name here, here. So this is a very simple. So I am saving this model. I am just hiding the sketch to show you how good it is. So this is the stand. So I am just saving this as cell phone stand. So this is a cell phone stand. Okay, say, and just say here make an assembly from the part. So we are moving to the, so now cell phone stand. So I am just hiding all the sketches. So it has been done. So if you want, you can give fillet here also, no issue. So I will just provide the fillet here also, because sharp corners are not at all good. So I am just break off this one to 1 millimeter, because if I give more, that the depth will be reduced. That one also I have to consider. So it's better to give the minimum radius, how much it's possible. So this is okay for me. So if you want to give fillet here in the ear also, you can provide, no issue, to give the some aesthetic look for this one. Just get, say here, say here. So now it has been completed, and if you see here fit, and if you move with this one, it's a complete one. It is very nice, I think so. So I am moving to assembly. So yes, I am updating this one. So once I update this one, I am just insert component, then cell phone I want to insert. So I am inserting here. So what I will say, I am just say this one will parallel to this surface, mate. I am just saying parallel to the surface, okay, and otherwise I can give the coincident also. So what I can give, coincident also, I should say from here to here it will be coincident. Okay, from then where it will touch, obviously it will come and touch this surface, edge will touch to the bottom surface. I will tell okay. So because of this clearance, it may come another 3 to 5 degree, that will be helpful. Obviously as I provided 25 millimeters, it will go and reach to 30 millimeters. So it will be very good. At that time it will be very useful. So you can see this one. Okay, so I want to show sketch because I want to show my logo. Yeah, I'll hide this, hide this. So what I have to do, I have to align this one in this fashion. So I will go mate, then advanced mate, width mate, then select these two faces and then another object, these two faces. So it is centralized. Now this is the one way you can do. So you can keep your mobile horizontal. Suppose if you want to keep the mobile vertical, so I want to drag this one. So I got another mobile. I will just hide this one, and what I will do, I will give the coincident to this one, this face mate. Say okay. So then I will make this one, and so I have to rotate this phone. So I will use the rotate option. And I will say this one and this one will meet. Say okay. So then, as I told earlier, go to advanced mate, width mate, and then select these two faces and these two faces. Yes, this you get this one. So if you want horizontally, keep this one, show this one. So if you want to keep, hide this one. So this is the way. If you want to keep charging your mobile, no issues, we can do this. Just import model and charger. I want to take charger here, and I will just okay, I will just make this one and this one mate parallel to each other, and I will say this one and this one will parallel to each other. So this is reverse. Okay, done. So then what I will do, as per the same, I am going to advanced mate, width mate, selecting this face and this face, and then selecting this face and this face. Okay, select this face, so go to width mate, select that face and this face, and select this face, this face. Then just select these two faces, say standard mate, coincident mate. So you have connected the mobile charger, so you can just go through this one. I think this is one of the simplest model we can do within less time. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, subscribe to my channel 3D CAD tutorials. Thank you.